This is Reason to Smile decal from Altenew. This is a medium-sized decal set. This decal features a beautiful motivational quote that will be a great addition to any space. You may apply it directly on a wall or on canvas. This quote will also fit in a 24-inch by 36-inch frame. Simply unroll the decal, remove the backing sheet, apply it to the surface you desire, and smooth it out using hands or decal applicator or bone folder. Add a touch of Altenew elegance to your living room walls, home office corners, or bedroom and table areas. With just a few simple steps, you will brighten your areas. For detailed application on how-to videos and other decor inspirations using our decals, please visit us at Altenew.com.